So good evening everyone. So let's move on to class. So last class already we had discussed, right? So few what is grep command. So mostly what is grep command, and so what are there is many options available, right? So if you go to grep command, so global search. This is very important in interview. Most of the case, so they are asking. So how to search a particular string? How to search a particular string in our particular file and all, and how to search multiple ways. So those and all we can check it. Already you know, right? Now I hope you got some idea. So what is a grep command, and so how to search a string in our particular file. And if you want to count hyphen c line numbers hyphen n, there is many arguments we can pass it, right? So anyone any doubt? So yesterday class clear? So for example, if we come to here, right now I don't have anything. So right now I don't have anything, and so let me create so one file. So how to create a VI? I am going to create. So I am going to create some right. So students, okay, dot txt file insert. So here I am adding so some content. So some content. Uh, okay, Shivaji, for example. So DevOps. Okay, so Ramana. So okay, Kubernetes. Okay, now right. Run. Here I'm using just a Linux. I'm giving some names. Okay. Mm. So just I'm passing something. Okay. .NET. Okay. So this is my data. So just assume. So this is my data. So just I passed names. I passed student names and all, and also I given some subject. If you want to, we can add title also. That is up to you only. So names course. Okay. Just just I enter some test data, escape, colon, WQ, save and quit the file. So just I created one file. I hope everyone know, right? So how to check it? So student dot txt file. So this is my data. I enter some sample data, test data. So now if you want to search any string, already you know, right? Grep space, and so what is we can pass? For example, I am passing so Ramana, and what is the file name? stu stun, actually students, that is a typo mistake, and enter data. Now see here. So this is the Ramana, and so that is the course name is so Kubernetes. So already last class we seen, right? If you want to count, we can use hyphen c. You know, right? Hyphen I means ignore case. Hyphen c means count. See here how many occurrences. How many? Suppose if we have any duplicate also, let me edit. Just edit, and I am going to add same data. For example, here I am giving insert. I am adding one more record, duplicate also. Okay, so Kubernetes, and if you want to, so gopi.net. So now I enter some duplicate data. So escape, colon, save and so quit the file. Now cat space, data is updated or not. Okay. So now data is updated. Now I want to search the particular string. So now this is a command grep space, and for example here I am giving so Ramana, and so file name, so stu student. Now how many occurrences? Count. If you want to check the count and all, we can use hyphen c. See here, 2 times, right? So for example, if you want to see that line numbers and all, so that case we can give what is the L means file names. So what is the file name and all? If you want to check it, we can use L. We can use L also. If you want to, we can check it L also. Now, now I am using so directly I am using right I. I means ignore case, whether it is uppercase or lower case. So these are the Ramana, Ramana, Ramana and all. Now except Ramana, I want to display other records. Now see, observe here. Now this is my data. Now I don't want Ramana, so Ramana record. So except Ramana, I want to display so remaining records and all. So how to display? So how to display? So there is a one option available hyphen v. Hyphen v is nothing but inverted. Now see here. So grep space. I don't want Ramana. So remaining I want to display. So grep space and hyphen v, and which data you don't want? Ramana. I don't want this, and so remaining all records I want to display. Now got it, guys? What is hyphen v? Inverted. Inverted. So that is exclude. Exclude means just remove Ramana. So remaining records and all I want to, if somewhere if Ramana is matched, I don't want Ramana records. So except Ramana, I want to display all records. Clear? Clear, Sharan?
Yes, sir.
So specifically, if you want to display, we can use. I don't want this Ramana related information. I don't want. So remaining all records I need. Remaining all records I need. So that case, so this is the one arguments we need to pass hyphen v. Hyphen v nothing but inverted. Exclude. I don't want. So except matched. I want to display. I want to print all records except Ramana. So for example, I want to see here except right Gopi. I want to accept Gopi. I want to display all records. I want to display all records. Now see here, remaining all records it will display. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is so that case mostly we can use hyphen v, hyphen hyphen v, hyphen v. What is hyphen v means? Inverted. Let me come to here. So window or MS Paint. So here hyphen v is nothing but so inverted. So grep space hyphen v and a string and next file name. File name. That's it. So hyphen v is nothing but what is hyphen v? In inverted. So that is except matched record. Except matched. Except matched records. So which so I don't want this record, particular matched record. Remaining all records I need. That's it. So now right, hyphen C is nothing but count, line numbers and all. So you got it? Anyone, any doubt here? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now right, last class, if you want to search multiple strings, so what is the command? So if you want to search multiple records, what is the command? So last class we seen, right? I want to search multiple records. Multiple records, multiple strings we given. So what is this? Grep space and so for example Ramana I given, and also if you want to give another, for example Gopi, okay, and a file name means stu. So is it working or now see here, now see here. So this is but mostly if you want to search it, this is error go graph Gopi is not such a file it is showing. So even though it is available, it is showing some error message also, right? So this case yesterday we seen, right? So grep grep space hyphen E, and we are giving hyphen V Ramana, and also if you want to one more E, and so what is GOPA Gopi and file name. Now see here, now see here, perfectly it is searched, right? Perfectly it is searched. Now instead of passing multiple times hyphen E is nothing but right, extended, right? And that case, which command you passed, right? So egrep, simply we are passing egrep. Here no need to pass anything here, so no need to pass anything here, and also here, right? So now, and remove all these things, and just add pipe symbol, and directly if you want to we can search multiple strings. Now clear? Both are same only. Both are same only. Already last class also we seen, right? So E grep. Last class also we seen, right? E grep. Last class also we seen, right? E grep. Now there is one more option also is there. So F, capital F. Capital F, it is nothing but fixed string. So this is nothing but F graph also we can use it. So now E graph, graph, and we are using hyphen E. Instead of this, simply we can use the E graph. Clear? Now there is one more command. So grep space hyphen F. Hyphen F is nothing but a fixed string. What is hyphen F means? Fixed string. Fixed string. So simply we are calling grep space hyphen F, or we can use the F grep. Simply we can use the F grep also. GREP. Both are same only. Both are same only. Now clear? So fixed string, fixed string. So how to search that fixed string means, so we need to follow syntax and all. So this is, it will take a group of fixed strings. So now same earlier already we used, right? So that case, so how to use this syntax and all, let's take it. Now E graph, F graph, GRE space graph space, graph space, so graph space, and we need to give, so we need to pass that string name. So hyphen F, right? Hyphen F space, and already I searched, right? So for example Ramana, and directly here no need to pass directly other string. Press enter, and here we need to pass one more string. So here you need to pass other string. So what is that other string? So for example I am giving I am giving so Gopi, right? Gopi, and double quotation, that's it. Double quotation, and also we need to pass that is the file name. What is the file name? stu. What is the file name? Stu, spelling stu ent, right? Let me take it. Let me check it here. Control C. Sorry, Control C. Cat space. What is the file name? STUENTS. So STUENTS, right? Same. Now see here, grep space hyphen F, and double quotation or single quotation. And so what is this? I given Ramana, and press enter. And I want to search Gopi also. GOPI, Gopi, and that's it. Gopi also. So Gopi also. So once that is done, once that is done, and we need to give that file name also. We need to give file name. What is the file name? What is the file name? STUENTS dot txt. Gopi single already added, right?
కొండయ్య
Mm.
ఫైల్ నేమ్ పక్కన ఇవ్వు.
Control C. So STU, what is name? That is typo error. Every time you need to take STUENTS dot txt. Now see here. So now see here. This is the fixed string. So if you want to find some of fixed string and all, so this is the syntax. This is the syntax. We need to press enter. Otherwise it won't work. So how to give? So grep space hyphen F and string name. What is the string name? And whatever we want to give string name. Enter, and again we need to pass a string name. So whatever you want. So this is the another string name, another string, that is name, and once that is done, space file name, space file name, space file name. That's it. So this is the syntax. Or instead of providing hyphen f, not small f, capital F, right? So instead of providing so grep hyphen f, so directly we can give this command also. What is alternate command? Egrep, gref, egrep, grep space and a string. For example, here I given Ramana, enter. It is coming cursor like we are passing Gopi, and so Gopi. This is also string space file name stu. So that file name whatever tnts, right, dot txt. Both are same only. So if you want to, we can pass like this, or directly we can pass like this also. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Hello, what Shivaji? Anyone any doubt
No,
here?
no, sir.
So both are same only. But here what is capital F means fixed string. I want to find that is related to only related. Now see here it is Ramana record, and also it is coming to so Gopi records also. Got it right?
Yes, sir.
Or Shivaji? Any doubt here? Hello? Now clear right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So now we'll see so few more so now remaining all are same only, almost you know right, how to search multiple strings, and so how to control hyphen c count and all l, and also you know right, so multiple strings, and what is e graph and what is f graph. So these are the, so based on your requirement we can pass so anything whatever you want, so we can check it, or else there is one more also we can check it, and so multiple ways now as of now we check right, so that directly I am passing string only. Now there is some regular expression also we can use it. Regular expression, character wise, word pattern, and also line pattern. So now this is my file, cat space. So I will first let me rename it. So mv space mv space students dot txt to student. Okay, students dot txt. Now there is no doubt, spelling and all correct, right? Students. Now so there is a regular expression also we can use here, regular expressions. So already you know right, so how to check regular expressions? Now ls space we are passing something, right? I want to display so capital A, this is a regular expression, right? We are giving star, it will display all files and all. If you want to uppercase, or if you want to check only number format, that so here also we can we can know, right, so we can check so three ways. One is character pattern, character pattern we can pass it, and so second one is a word pattern, word, and third one is line patterns. If you want to check line wise also we can check this ways we can pass it. Okay, so character means you know right, single characters and all. If you want to check a word wise we can check a word pattern also, or if you want to we can check it line wise also. Now so these are my files, right? Let me come to practically how it will work. So now I have only two files. Let me create touch space, touch space, touch space file. Here I'm giving, I want to print just I want to create some files, and I'm printing so 9 files, and so that extension I am giving extension I am giving dot txt file. Okay, so dot txt file. So how many files was created? Now check it here, total 9 files. Now if you want to check only these files, I want to display only these files. So can you tell me anyone what is the command? Yesterday also we seen, right? So question mark star, you know right, that is wildcard characters, star and question mark and all. With the help of we can display. So what is the command? ls space
F star, sir.
and so file or f star, right? F star dot txt. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
F star. Now anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
This is a character pattern. This is a character pattern, right? Suppose I want to check, right? So I want to check, that is, right, group of characters also. We can check like this also, ls space. Now I'm giving f, and so in between, what is this? We can pass anything, whatever you want. So whatever you want. So if I want, I can pass I, L, E. Here I have already 3 lights is there, right? And also number pair, or directly we can give like this. Let me check it. Okay. Now I'm giving, and also dot file name. What is the file name? So directly we can give file name also, or I can give tar. Now see here. So whatever. Suppose if I pass any other than, right? What is this? This is also one, right? A regular expressions. So are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels I am giving. A, E, I, O, U. I, A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now I am giving a star. So first letter should be F. And second letter, so whatever it may be, A, E, I. So now check it. See here. Here I given star. That is the reason it will display all files and all files and all. Or specifically, if you want to check some file length, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So that case also we can use it. That case also we can check it. We can check this way also. This is one way, right? Now I need to graph, right? I want to check graph format. So gr space, first let me check it. Cat space students dot txt. Now I want to display some 4 or 5 letters. So this is a gopi, right? I want to display only that way. Now we can use the regular expressions also. Grep space and starts with G, and so remaining 2 characters anything, and last character I given, and student dot txt. So we can pass like this also. Now which record it will display? Gopi, right? Not B, G. Okay. Now see here. Gopi related records and all it will display. Now clear? For example, I want to print Ramna. So first letter Ramna. Okay, R. And so in between how many character? How many? So I need so 2, 3, 4. So we can use so 4 characters, and last letter should be A. Last letter should be A. Now check it. Now clear? Clear, Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now these are the I given in between. First letter R and last letter should be A. In between how many characters it should be? That is any
Four.
characters. 4
Okay, sir.
characters. Total count is 6 characters. So now
Yes.
see here Ramana total 6 characters. For example, I want to print Sarana. Okay. So first letter should be C. I want to start with C, and so end with what is this? Sarana. Okay. N. Now I'm giving. Now see here. Okay. So these are the so character. These are the right. If you want to, we can pass a character pattern also. Now I want to pass a word pattern. So word means so it will there is 2 ways we can pass. So this is the syntax, guys. So character means now we will pass multiple ways, right? Now word. If you want to use a word pattern, so this is the syntax. Word pattern syntax. So we need to, so this is syntax slash, so less than, we can pass which word you want, again slash, again greater than. Okay. So this is, it is always search for the given word. It is exactly same as grep hyphen w. So if you pass like this also same, or directly we can use this way also, right? Grep space hyphen w, right? What is hyphen w? Which word you want to search, that word name. For example, Ramana. So we are giving, now check it here, same way. This is a word pattern. Now see here, I am using same pattern only. First I am checking, so normal way. So grep hyphen w, I am giving so Ramana, and what is the file name? Now see here, Same way. This is the one way. This is the default. So grep hyphen W Ramana I am passing. Now same thing if you want to search word pattern, we can pass like this also. We can pass like this also. We can pass like this also. Now how can I pass it means so this is the so we need to this way we need to follow. So this is the word pattern and starts with which letter we want to check it. Less than and so we are passing some name, so we are passing some name, so starts with I want to print, I want to search something, right? I want to search something, so that case so we can check like this also. Now I am using grep space, same grep space, grep space, and also we need to give so that name starts with I want to starts with, so single quotation slash less than and so Ramana, whatever you may be. Okay, and so next we need to give that file name. What is the file name? Students.txt. So this is the first, it will start the word pattern. I am checking word pattern only. Starting word, I want to Ramana. So now check it whether it is working or not. Now see here, I am using same way. So grep grep and so how I can pass grep space and single quotation less than slash less than Rama, Rama. Okay, now student dot txt. Now see here, I am checking first word Rama. So remaining word anything, or we can use I am using Rama, or I am using, okay, I am using so already Sravani is there, right? Now check it, see, or else whatever. This is the word. First word should starts with these characters. I want only two letters. See here, starts with SR only. Remaining letter anything. Remaining characters anything. Remaining character anything. Automatically it will find it. Now clear? So anyone any doubt here? This is the starting word. This is the starting letter. Starting word SR. I want to start with SR. Now anyone any doubt? Any confusion here? Clear guys? Now I want to check with Linux or Tally or .NET. I want to check only .NET related, or I want to QUB, Kubernetes related people I want to find it. Now tell me grep space grep space, okay, slash next less than and I want to start KUB. This is the string word pattern space and file name student.txt. Now see here, anyone any doubt here? This is a syntax. Sir, I don't want to check with first letters to four letter. I want to end means so what is the syntax? Same only. Same end with for example end with I want to check for example OPS. OPS greater than what is the syntax? So I given right. So end with this is the start, right? End with what is this? Come to here. I want to check it end. So greater than, no, now ends with slash greater than. Now slash greater than. Now see here. So this is the end. This is the end. This is the syntax. So this is the syntax. This is the starting word. Suppose if you want to find ending word, same. So what is this? What is this? This is a string. This is a string. Next string. Now what is the pattern? String. So this is the pattern. Slash greater than. Slash greater than. What is this meaning? End. Every word. So end we are giving some name. So here I passed OPS. I want to display so last three characters OPS. Last three characters OPS. So remaining whatever it may be. Remaining character whatever it may be. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? So based on start and based on the end. What Ramesh? Chandrasekhar, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that case we can use, so these are the phase. This is the, so what is this? Slash, slash less than, this is a word. We are passing some name, right? Some name. That is word is nothing but some name. So this is the starting. This is the starting word. Suppose if you want to check ending, so ending characters, whatever you want, word slash greater than. So this is the, we are checking ending character. So that case we can use these commands. That case we can use also these commands. Okay. Suppose if you want to display only all line starts with D characters. All line starts with D character. There is two more also we can use. That is a line pattern. So now we see, right, there is three ways: character pattern, word pattern, and last one is line pattern. So line represents, this is a cap symbol. Cap represents, so this is the cap symbol in keyboard represents, this is a line starts with, line start with, and there is one more character. This is the cap symbol and starts with, and one more character, dollar. Dollar represents, so lines, line end with. So line end with. Line end with. So line also end with. Same only. But this is the, so cap symbol starts with the line and dollar means end with the line. Now if you observe here, this is very simple only. Now coming to here. Sorry. Now if you come to here. Now, so line starts with. So now cat space student dot, this is a file. Now I want to line starts with, or if you want to add, we can sudo, sorry, vi student dot, vx. Okay, insert. I'm going to update. So this is the dev apps. Okay, so this is the dev apps class. Just I given something. Okay, Linux. Okay, so escape colon x, save and quit the file. Escape. Okay, now cat space student, content is updated or not? It is updated. Now line starts with, I want to check, so the line start with t. So how to check it? This is a command, grep space, so grep space cap 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 in the keyboard, 6, shift to 6. Okay, and so I want to start with t only, and student dot txt. Student, it is hanging, just wait. So student, clear the screen, and so grep space single quotation cap, and I want to t starts with t, student dot txt. Students, what happened? Cat space students, file is not available, it is hanging. Exit, just log out. Let me log in. Maybe it is hanging. 1 second. So cat space student, I don't have student. Hmm, something goes wrong, it is hanging, cannot create temp file. Okay, control C, cat space anaconda. Hmm, nothing is working. Else I am closing this tab. Okay, so again I am creating, so new, what is this, labs dot play dot hyphen kubernetes. So now start and start. Okay, now no connection server. Okay, now there is some problem. Click on new. Now it is created. Alt enter. full screen. Control plus plus increase the font. Increase the font. Now anyway, so I have one file, cat space anaconda file. So this is a file. Now I am creating I am so copying this content to another file. So cat space anaconda greater than, so anaconda or test data or test dot txt. Okay, now see here, ls, now cat space test. Now I have same data. Now which line starts with I want to start I want to print lines. I want to print line. I am giving a m, that is y character, y. So line starts with y. I want to print only that lines. I don't want all lines. It will display only line starts with y. I want to display only line starts with y. So how to print it? This is a command. Grep space, single quotation, cap, and starts with y. And what is the file name? Test.txt. Test.txt. Now see guys. So what is this? Line starts with y. So which line starts with y only, it will display. For example, I want to print only line starts with s. Line start with s. Now same story. Go to here and the line starts with what is the character? S. Now it will print only S related lines. The line starts with the S only. So anyone any doubt here? This is the line pattern. This is the line pattern. Cap and a character. Which character? Whatever you want, we can pass it. Now I want to line starts with A or M. Whether I want to check it M. See here only one line is there. I want to starts with so check with A. Which line starts with A only. Line starts with A only. So clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Now same thing, line end with which character? Now starts with A, right? So line end with. So for end and all we need to use A and right side dollar. Right side dollar. That's it. So dollar. Shift 4 dollar. So if any line end with A, only that line will display. Only that line will display. Now got it here? Now I want to check line end with S. I want to check. See here, how many lines is there? How many lines is there? Now clear? Yes. So this many lines is there. So last letter S. Line end with. So it will display all lines end with the end with S. All lines end with S. So I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? So this is the cap. Line starts with. Dollar means line end with. Shivaji, clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to check any numeric ends with or starts with. So that case also we can use it. So that case also we can use it. Now grep space, single and character 0 to 9, 0 to 9 and end. End means this side dollar and starts with this side cap symbol. Now ends with any number format. So ends with any number format it will display. Test.txt. Now see here, line end with only numbers, number format. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
Suppose start means so we need to add here cap symbol. Line starts with 0 to 9. We don't have any data. Starts with number format. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are the mostly we are using grep command. Now I hope you got some idea, right? So what is so grep command and how to work with, how to play with grep command and all. How to play with grep command and all. Okay. Anyone any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now, so there is a few more commands we'll see. Okay. So cut, copy, cut, paste, and so tr command. So cut command exact data from the file. For example, this is my data. So this is my data, and so let me give some data. Va data dot txt. I given some data. So insert name and so name and course. Yes, and just I am giving some fees. For example, Rama. So DevOps. Okay, or else I don't want to give. I'm giving pipe symbol also, whatever it may be. So now I'm going to so cut based on your delimiter, whatever it may be. I'm giving some pipe symbol for separation for each and all everything. I'm giving some whatever it may be. That is your wish. You can give space or you can give semicolon. So that is your wish, guys. There is no restriction. So here I am giving, for example, okay, Shiva, okay, Java, okay. I given so 20, okay. Next I given something, okay. So this is a .NET. Now I given, okay. Now Python I given, for example, 15. This is my data, okay. Now I given, okay. I given something. Now whatever it may be, that is your wish. So this is my data. So for separation and all, I given pipe only. Whatever you want, we can give it. This is my test data. Escape colon tape. Okay. Now check it. Cat space. So data dot txt. Now see here. So data is clear. Okay, name and all. Now there is a few commands is there. There is few commands is available. There is a cut, paste and tr commands. First we will see what is cut command. So the we can cut command mostly we are using extract data from the file. So this is my file. This is my file. I don't want to display entire data. I want to see particular line or particular right column data. So that case we can use so that is cut command. So that case mostly we are using cut command. Display characters on the specific position and every record. So for example, these all are my records. So Rama, Shiva, Pati, Saran, Markonda. So I want to display and a particular position and a specific position in this entire data. So that case we can use cut space hyphen c character. So for example, I want to display fourth character. I want to display fourth character. What is that file name? Data.txt. Now data.txt. Now see here. Now check it. So fourth character. So for A, first line E, second line A, third line A, and this line T, and so H, right? And this line R, and this line K. Now got it, guys? Specific position. I want to print. So I want to. So this is here C means a specific character. Specific character and which position? Fourth position. Every line fourth character. Every line fourth character I want to display it. I want to display. Now clear? Every line,
Yes, sir.
every line fourth character. So C represents hyphen C represents specific character. And so what is the position? Fourth position. No, no, sir. I want to display more characters. I want to display some range of characters. Display range of characters every record. So that case we can use cut cut space hyphen c cut space hyphen c range. I don't want four. I want to four to six characters. Okay. So that case we can pass. Now see here data.txt. Now see here it will display. Now got it right? Now see here, I want to print 1 to 5 or I want to print 1 to 7. So now I want to print 1 to 7. Now use this. So now I want to print 1 to 6. 1 to 6. 1 to 6 only. Now see here, name Pati Siva. If you want to print full name and all, up to you need to give so 8, 1 to 8, 1 to 8 characters. Now see here, so every record, so 1 to 8. What is the position? 1 to 8, 1 to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
So now there is many arguments we can pass it. See here, cut space hyphen c. I am giving for example hyphen two hyphen data dot txt. So data dot txt. So data dot txt. So two hyphen means so second character to last character. So I want to print from second character to last character. Now check it. See here, second character to up to last, every record last character. Every record last character. So that case we can use so position hyphen. Position means second. For example, I don't want second, sir. I want to print, for example, fourth. Now see here, or I want to print fifth. From fifth to last. Fifth, fifth character to last character. Fifth character to last character. Now clear? So this all are depends on your requirement. But these are some basics only. So if you use a cut, there is many arguments we can pass it. So many arguments we can pass it. Now got it, guys? Now suppose if you want to give my before hyphen 5. What is this? Take it. Fifth character to so starting character. Reverse. Fifth character to starting character. Fifth, 4, third, 2, 1. Now clear? Anyone any doubt? So what is hyphen 5? So fifth, go to position, fifth position. Next print up to starting first character of the every record. If you add hyphen, if you add so this right side, so from this position to end of the line, from this position to start of the line. Clear? Anyone any doubt, guys, here? So this is my position, fifth character. Go to fifth character. From fifth character to come to start of the line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the fifth to end of the line. Fifth to start of the line. Suppose I don't want like this. I want to in between some characters. So that case we can use cut space hyphen c. For example, I want to 1 to 4 comma 1 to 4 comma and I want to print so 8 to 12 8 to 12 data dot txt. Now see here 1 to 4 next 8th position to 12th position. So that case we can use this way also. This way also. Display range of the characters. Display range of the characters every record. We can pass like this also. We can pass like this also. Now got it? Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So this is the 0 to now check it cat space so data dot txt. Now see here. So first name 4 characters. Next 8th character. Now this is the 4, 5th, 6th, 7, 8th. See here. This is the URSE 8th, 9, 10, 11. See here that position up to 12. Up to 12 character. I hope you got it right. So 1 to 4. Next 8 to 12 characters. So this is depends on your requirement. Anyone any doubt here? Shivaji,
No, sir.
clear?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now, sir, I don't want like this. I want to print so specific column data. Now see here cat space so data dot txt. So this is the first column, right? I given separation is I given so that is the pipe symbol. This is the first column. and this is the second column, and this is the third column. So what is my requirement? Sir, I want to print only course column list. I want to print only course column list, or I want to print only fees column list. Now how to print it? So there is a one more argument is there, hyphen D. Hyphen D represents delimiter. Hyphen D represents a delimiter. Delimiter. Now if you come to here, right now I have three columns. Right now this is the name column and course column and pieces column. Now which column you want? So this is the command. So cut space hyphen D delimiter. And so based on which, what is the separation here I given? Delimiter. Pipe symbol, right? Give the pipe symbol. Space, and so what is the field? Hyphen F. F represents field. So F represents field. F represents field. Space, and what is the field name? Which second or third or first? I want to second. And file name. What is the file name? So data.txt. Now what is the D means? Delimiter. Delimiter means I want to separated by pipe symbol. And hyphen F means field. Which column you want? Second column. Which field? That is the second field. No. I want to third field. Now just pass the third column. Field number third. Now see here, it will display only previous column. No. I want to only first column. Now we can give hyphen F. Sorry, we need to give column name number, right? So this is the first. This is the first column. See here, this is the field. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here? Cut. What is hyphen D? Delimiter. Delimiter means separation here. Based on which you want to separate. I want to separate based on pipe symbol. Okay. Next. Hyphen F. Field. Which column? What is the field name? Field number. So this is your data, right? And based on this test data, so we can give that number. We can pass that number. Clear? Anyone any doubt here as of now? Hello?
Sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Now cat space so data.txt. Now this is my data. Now I want two columns, course column and features column. I want two columns. So how to print two columns? Same story. So cut hyphen D delimiter, and so what is based on daily pipe symbol, and so pipe symbol hyphen F, and what are the column? I want two columns. So that case we can pass second comma third base data.txt. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Which column? Course column
Course.
and features column. Now see here, course column and features. No, sir, I want to only first and last column. Now tell me, first means this is the one, and last column third.
Third.
Now clear?
Yes, sir.
So now that case, if you want to only particular right columns, numbers and all, so that case we can pass so that number.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే కాలం మనం సెకండ్ నుంచైనా తీసుకోవచ్చా?
Second is that is your wish. So for example, here I given hyphen F. Here I given hyphen 2. Hyphen 2 means so it will display 1 to
Second.
1 to so column 2.
Two.
Now see here. Suppose if we have multiple columns in real time, if we have 10 columns. No, sir, I don't want all columns. Only 1 to 2. 2 means so we can give, or we can suppose I have 5 columns, 10 columns. up to five columns only I want to display. Now we can give like this also. Now see here. So anyway, 4 and 5th column not available. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that case also we can pass it. So that case also we can pass it. Now this is a minus. If you pass like this, if you pass to minus from second column to last column, from second column to last column, same story. From second column to last
Last
column.
column.
Okay, so that case we can. So these are the depends on your requirement. We can pass anything. We can pass. Suppose you want to skip the particular column. So display columns except the specific column. So for example, I have 10 columns and they accept one column. I don't want remaining all columns I need. I want to display entire data. Cat space. So data.txt. Now see here, this is also, there is one more command. Pick, right, if you want to skip the specific column. So that case we can use a cut space -d, same delimiter. And so next, there is a syntax is there, hyphen complement. So hyphen complement, hyphen complement, and so -f field. So I don't want so second and data.txt. I want to skip this particular column. Remaining all columns I want. What is the second column? Course, right? I skip the second column. So that case we can use so one more argument, hyphen complement. So hyphen complement. Hyphen complement. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you want to skip so two columns. So that case we can give same 2 comma or 1 comma. Suppose if we have multiple columns, we can pass like this also. I don't want second column and third column, only it will print first column. So my file has only 3 columns, correct? Name column, course column, fees column. I don't want the second column, I don't want third column. I want to exclude, skip. So what is this? Same, cut space, -d, delimiter, hyphen complement, -f field. So which field? Second field and third field I don't want. Skip. You want to skip these two fields. So if you skip these two fields, remaining I have only one field, right? First column. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Anyone, any doubt here? What's Chandrasekhar?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so these are the, so based on this, so we can play with cut command. So in real time, sometimes, right, so I have a data, test data, but the test data, I have multiple columns. But you don't want to display all columns, and I want to split my file based on delimiter, and that case, mostly we are using cut command. So mostly we are using cut command. So what is -d? This is the delimiter. This is the delimiter. Right now I am using pipe symbol. Suppose sometimes we are using semicolon. That case we can pass semicolon or comma. So that case we can give. This is the, we can pass anything based on which delimiter we want to split the data. So we want to split the data. So that case mostly we are using cut command. Clear, guys? Anyone, any doubt here as of now? Okay. So that's it from my side. And so if you have any doubt, we can ask.